Ever feel like your paycheck disappears before you've even had a chance to enjoy it? What if I told you that creating a budget isn't just about cutting back? It's about finally taking control of your money, and it's easier than you think? Stick around and I'll show you how to build a simple, foolproof budget from scratch in 2025. Budgeting sounds boring, right? But here's the thing. It's the foundation of financial freedom. Whether you want to save for your dream vacation, pay off debt, or just stop living paycheck to paycheck, budgeting is the key. And in this video, I'll guide you step by step to create a beginner-friendly budget tailored to your life. Why budgeting matters. First, let's talk about why budgeting is important. In 2025, with inflation, rising living costs, and unexpected expenses, having a plan for your money isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Without a budget, it's like driving without a map. Sure, you might get somewhere, but chances are you'll end up lost, stressed, and broke. Step 1. Know your numbers. Start by figuring out two numbers: how much you earn and how much you spend. Look at your bank statements or use an app like Mint or YNAB. Write down every source of income, your job, side hustles, anything. Then list all your expenses, from rent and groceries to that sneaky Netflix subscription. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Now, divide your expenses into 3 categories. Needs: essentials like housing, utilities, groceries. Wants: fun stuff, eating out, streaming services, hobbies. Savings and debt: paying down credit cards or building an emergency fund. This breakdown helps you see where your money is really going. Step 3. Choose a budgeting method. There are many ways to budget, but here are 2 simple ones. The 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. The zero-based budget: every dollar you earn gets assigned a job. Nothing is left unaccounted for. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle best. Step 4. Automate your budget. Let's make this easy. Use automatic transfers to set aside savings or pay bills. Apps like Chime or Acorns can even round up your spare change to help you save effortlessly. Step 5. Track and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Review it every month and adjust as needed. Got a raise? Great, save more. Unexpected medical bill? Shift things around. A budget is a living document. It grows with you. Picture this. It's the end of the month, and you know exactly where every dollar went. Your bills are paid, you've saved money, and you're finally in control. That's the power of a budget, and trust me, it feels amazing. So which budgeting method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a financial reset in 2025. Together, let's make money work for us, not the other way around.